Rising dancehall entertainer Skippa listed as a person of interest by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Popular dancehall entertainer Skippa was yesterday listed as a person of interest by the St. Catherine North Police in a bulletin that was issued by the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF. Skippa, whose real name is Tajay Clark, is from the parish of St. James. These persons of interest are being asked to make contact with detectives at the Spanish Town Police Station immediately, the bulletin read. Among those listed as a person of interest is popular dancehall entertainer Skippa. Other men were also listed as persons of interest but are only known by their aliases. A man who goes by the name Mari, a man who goes by the name Crocodile or Crooks, a man who goes by the name Big Buy, another man who goes by the name Popstar, a man who goes by the name Son, Jason, Tatas, and Tashwane. All these persons are being asked to report immediately to the Spanish Town CIB. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story plus more to come on the program. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.